Well, YouTube, this is Cam back with another video, another trash. This one had a lot of oil leaking. It probably put too much oil, maybe. It's a 20-inch Bowens. Carburetor might be clogged up. Oh yeah, pretty much the filter. I guarantee this thing start to put some gas in there and take this filter off. Let's see. Yeah, we'll keep this off right here. But it's gonna go. I think probably start with the first pull. Shooting, yep, clogged up and shooting oil out the exhaust. Let's see. Do we have a leak under here? Yeah, it just needs the that right there. So let's see. Let's take this filter off. This filter right here is so dang heavy. It's full of that oil. So we're gonna see if we pull it.
I'm strong.
I know, yeah, you're very strong. Watch it. Go on the other side, okay? I'm finna start this. See if I can try to start it. Clean this filter off. Yeah, see it's smoking from this side too. I don't know if y'all can see it. That thing hot, cooking all that oil. I'm gonna cut the yard. I'm gonna check this oil first. Got some oil up in here. Before you even do that, I'll blow that on it. So let's see. That looks pretty good. It's good oil. It don't smell like gas, so I just have put a little gas up in here. And start right up. I think I'm gonna rinse it off a little bit and just mow this yard. Let's see if it can start smoking. Get some other stuff off this filter and throw it back up in there. Alright, we'll be back. It's still a little dirty, but pull most of that stuff off and clean this out a little bit. Just see what it do. We'll mow this yard. See how it hold up. If it's smoke, keep on smoking or whatever. Let's see what we gonna do. Hopefully run better. Get it real hot. Alright. Yeah, YouTube. Cut the yard with it. Cut the whole yard with it. So it's a win. It's another one I'm having a process to fix. Need a whole header. It's a Craftsman 725. Need a little bit more work, but I like the easy work like this. You don't have to do really much, nothing. Take the filter out and start it up. I put gas in there. That's it. Let's start. like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.